Yeah. Uh, Corals are marine invertebrates within the class Anthozoa of the phylum Cnidaria. They typically form compact colonies of many identical individual polyps. Coral species include the important reef builders that inhabit tropical oceans and secrete calcium carbonate to form a hard skeleton. So now, where do we find them? Scroll a bit down, reefs, and we get a map. And here in northern England and on the really southern tip of Iceland, there are somewhat coral reefs to be found. WWF, it's not the World Wrestling Federation. Everything you need to know about coral bleaching and how we can stop it. What is coral bleaching? Coral bleaching happens when corals lose their vibrant colors and turn white. It's chalk after all. But there's a lot more than that. Coral are bright and colorful because of microscopic algae called zooxanthellae. The zooxanthellae live within the coral in a mutually beneficial relationship, each helping the other to survive. But when the ocean environment changes, if it gets too hot, for instance, the coral stresses out and expels the algae. As the algae leaves, the coral fades until it looks like it's been bleached. If the temperature stays high, the coral won't let the algae back, and the coral will die. What triggers coral bleaching? The leading cause of coral bleaching is climate change. A warming planet means a warming ocean, and a changing water temperature as little as 2 degrees Fahrenheit can cause coral to drive out algae. Coral may bleach for other reasons, like extremely low tides, pollution, or too much sunlight. So now, let's have a look at something interesting. This is Null School, and we are watching the ocean. And this one, BAA. Bleaching alert area. So there might be other reasons except for heating or for too hot water. And since it's now September now, let's put those moving things off. It's December. Here is winter. Here is summer. Which means, in other words, cold, warm. Okay, I guess we agree with that. Check this out. The picture ends there. I don't know how big this area actually would be if the picture would continue, but we can see there's like a small patch here visible, which is also red. And there's another one here. Which is somehow in the same main area of this strange or funny, or nice, or altogether cloud phenomena from the previous video. And now this is Svalbard. And the Arctic Circle is somewhere here, I guess. Something like that. So this is really north. Let's go to Google Earth and check it out. Yeah, put on the grind lines. Then we go to check out Svalbard. 80 degrees. And here we have the problem with too hot water. Question is why? Is there anything going on under the water surface? Volcanic activity? I don't know. But I just thought it's interesting to find this kind of coral bleaching stuff on 80 degrees north. I leave it here. Thanks. Bye.